cracked or broken passenger side mirror glass can be a real hassle, and replacing it at the dealer often means paying way more than you should. What if you could get an exact replacement that fits perfectly, works just like the original, and costs only a fraction of the dealer price? This passenger side mirror glass is designed specifically for Chevrolet Avalanche, Silverado, Suburban, Yukon, Tahoe, and GMC Sierra models, delivering original equipment quality without the dealer markup. I've seen firsthand how frustrating it is when your mirror glass shatters, especially on those towing mirrors where the bottom lens gets damaged first. This replacement includes the backing plate, so you don't have to worry about compatibility or fit. While it doesn't have heating capabilities or a turn signal, it matches the first design towing mirror's dimensions exactly: 3 9/16 by 7.5 by 7 3/16. Installation is straightforward thanks to the clear, step-by-step instructions that come with the package. Just a heads up, the assembly design means you'll need to remove the broken glass to access the screw in the center. But if you're already replacing the glass, that's no big deal. What you get is a reliable, durable mirror glass that restores your vehicle's look and function without breaking the bank. Make sure to tighten the central screw just right before snapping the new mirror in place. There's no adjustment once it's installed. If you're tired of living with a cracked mirror or paying dealer prices, this replacement is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to bring your Chevy or GMC back to its best.